In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to your search bar and just search for settings. And from here we want to select the personalization. And from here we can change our background color themes of our desktop in Windows 11. So when we try and select colors, we can see this transparency effects. We can turn this on. So as you can see, it's still not making our taskbar transparent. It only changes slightly. So what we can do is again, just turn this off and go to Microsoft Store. So we want to search for Microsoft Store. And from here, you want to search for Lively Wallpaper. And you will see this first app right here. So you want to download this. So in my case, already downloaded it. So after you've downloaded it, you want to open it. So it will look like this. From here, you want to click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select System. From here, you will see a setting here that says Taskbar Theme. So you want to click and just select Clear. So this will make your taskbar transparent. In my case, I can show it to you that it's transparent because it says here this feature development is on hold. But this is a working application that will make your taskbar clear and transparent. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.